Hi, good morning, my dear students. Last class we discussed about the non-primitive operations. In that we discussed about the traversing. This is the first operation. You know traversing. Traversing means it is a process of visiting each element exactly once. Already you know the algorithm also. Okay, the traversing algorithm. Okay, already I am sending notes. You have to write notes daily. Okay, with the notes you have to see the videos. Okay, then you can understand very easily. Okay, with the earphones, take a notes, write a notes first, then with notes you have to see the videos. Okay, then you can easily you can remember. Okay, then last class you discuss about the traversing. You know the algorithm also. The last class you discuss about the searching. This is the second operation. Okay, in non-primitive searching. What is searching? Already you know searching means finding the location of a element. Okay, finding the location of element. For example, in mobile I want any one folder, I want a song. If you know the song name means you can search it. Okay, how to search? Because of this algorithm, searching algorithm, we can search very easily in computer and mobiles. Okay, then searching means what? Searching means finding the location of element. Finding the location of element, that is called searching. There are two types of searching you have. First one is a linear search. First one is a linear search. Second one is a binary search. Okay, linear search. Second one is a binary search. In last class we discussed about the linear search. Okay, what is linear? Linear search means you have to finding the location of element. You have to finding the location of element. Okay, sequentially. Okay, you have to finding your location of element. Compare your element with all other elements. You have to compare your element with all other elements sequentially one by one. Okay, that is called linear search. Already you know the algorithm for linear search. Okay, last year in midterm examination this question asked for 5 marks. Okay, write a algorithm for linear search. Okay, in last video you discuss about the linear search and algorithm and problem also. Okay, then the second method is the binary search. Binary search. Okay, what is binary search? What is the difference between linear search and binary search? Binary search also used to finding the location of element. Both are used for what purpose? To finding the location of element. To finding the location of element, we have to use we can use a binary search also. Okay, then what is the difference in linear search and the binary search? See, in a linear search you have to finding the here you can finding the in a linear search finding the location of element sequentially, but in binary search the element can be compared with the middle element. Okay, here your element can be compared with the middle element. For example I am just writing one problem. In this using binary search, find the location of 45. Find the location of 45. Already you know the 45, in which location 45 is there. Already you know the array will be start from 0, 1, 2, 3. In the third equation 45 will be there. Okay, but computer doesn't understand. Okay, by using binary search anta kelidane. Okay, by using linear search andre easily you can write sequentially one by one you can compare one by one in a linear search. But by using binary search andre, what is binary search? You have to 45 this element can be compared with the middle element. You have to compare your element with the middle element. Middle element yaudili 32. Okay, you have to compare your element with the middle element. Okay, by using binary search you can quickly you have to finding the location of element compared to linear search. Linear search alli ella elements na compare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. But in binary search alli ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ Okay, that is the main reason we have to use a binary search. Okay, binary search. Then what is the difference between linear search and binary search? See, in linear search you can compare your element with all these elements, but in a binary search you can compare element can be compared with only with middle element. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, here it is faster. The finding the location will be faster in binary search, but in a linear search it takes time. Okay, it takes a time. Okay, this you have to remember. Then the next one is write a algorithm. See, right, what is the algorithm? Write a algorithm for a binary search. Last year in 2020, this question asked for 5 marks. Write an algorithm for a binary search. Okay, binary search is a very much efficient method for searching the location of a element. Okay, then one condition you have to remember in binary search. Binary search method na ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ must and should the elements are in a sorted order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. The elements are in a sorted order. Okay, in a ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ elements na ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, but in linear search we have to finding the location of element in zigzag way. Elements na zigzag way ಕೊಟ್ಟರು linear search ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But in a binary search one condition is there. Okay, you have to you have to write always the elements are in a ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. in sorted order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ binary search ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Got it? Okay, this condition you have to remember. Okay, write a one condition for binary search. The main condition is the elements must and should be in a sorted order. But in linear search ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು sorted order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is your one condition you have to remember. Okay, this is a binary search. Binary search means elements can be compared with the middle element. Okay, for example your 45 finding location of 45 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. how to compare? You have to compare that element with the middle element only. Okay, and the next problems I ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ how to do this. Okay, then the next one is a write algorithm. Write algorithm for binary search. See, binary search binary search algorithm for a binary search must and should you want 3 elements. First of all ಒಂದು array ಬೇಕು. Next the beginning. BG means beginning of the location. See, this is the first location in the array. Beginning, BG means beginning 0. For example here, which is the beginning location? 0 is the beginning. In 0 15 will be stored. In 1 this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. In A of 0 15 will be stored. In A of 1 20, in A of 2 32. Okay, in A of 3 45, in A of 4 52. See, in this is what this is a beginning. This is a beginning. Then see, first in binary search method, first of all you have to take variables like beginning equal to 0 irutte always. In binary search beginning equal to 0. Then n equal to n minus 1. N equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 means what? See, n minus 1. How many elements in this? There are 5 elements you have. 5 elements means this is the n. N equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 means how many elements you have? 5 elements. 5 minus 1 how much? 4. See, location is 4. Location will be 4 here. Okay, now you have to remember the beginning will be 0, then end will be 4. That's why end you have to write n minus 1. Location equal to minus 1. Still I am searching. Location equal to minus 1 means it means what? Still we are not finding the element. Okay, still the process will be going on. Okay, lock equal to minus 1 means location. Now we are finding the location. Okay, see, first what you have to do in a binary, this is a binary search algorithm. must in binary search you have to first there are three conditions in this. First condition is the beginning is less than equal to end. Okay, beginning ಏನಾದರೂ less than equal to end ಇರಬೇಕು. For example, in problem you see first beginning ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಇದೆ, 0 is less than equal to 4, end means 4 ಇದೆ. Okay, beginning is 0 is less than equal to 4, yes means then this formula will be applied. Which is the formula? It is mid equal to beginning plus end by 2. Why you have to find out the formula? See, binary search ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, element can be compared with the middle element. Middle element ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if you want middle element then you have to use this formula. Mid equal to beginning plus end by 2. Beginning plus end by 2. Okay, then ನಿಮಗೆ beginning plus end by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? mid equal to beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 0 plus ending location ಏನಿದೆ 4 ಇದೆ divided by 2. How much it is? 4. Answer is 2. You are getting mid. You are getting a mid. See, mid 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Then ನಿಮ್ದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? See, ನಿಮ್ದು see which element you are which location you are finding? 45. Find the location of 45 ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 45 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 45 is equal to a of mid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? mid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 2. a of 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? a of 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 32 ಇದೆ. 32 is it equal? 45 is equal to 32? Not equal. Okay, not equal. 45 is equal to in a of 2 which element you have? 32 ಇದೆ. Is it equal? Not equal. Okay, not equal means it goes to next step. Okay, next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ see element, our element is greater than a of mid. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನಂದು? ನನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? 45 ಇದೆ. is greater than a of mid ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? a of mid 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 32. 45 is greater than 32. Yes, 45 is greater than 32. Then which formula you have to apply? Beginning equal to mid plus 1. Beginning equal to mid plus 1 formula you have to apply. See, beginning equal to mid plus 1. Mid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 2 plus 1 how much? 3 ಬಂತು. Okay, now you have to compare next. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ while loop means it will continue. while loop ಮತ್ತೆ next time beginning 0 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? beginning 0 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 3 ಬಂತು. 3 next 3 plus end ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? end ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 4 ಇತ್ತು. Okay, 3 plus 4 by 2 how much? 7 by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು. 3.5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to take, don't take round up. See, you have to round up that value, because the array does not contains fractional part ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಅರೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 7 by 2 3.5 ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 3. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಮಿಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 3 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 45 is equal to a of 3. a of 3 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 45 means see 45 equal to 45, then you are getting a location equal to 3. Okay, must and should you have to remember. See, 3 conditions you have to remember. 3 conditions na ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು binary search ಅಲ್ಲಿ. First of all, ಇದನ್ನ beginning equal to 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, then end equal to n minus 1, not equal to minus 1. Okay, then while ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಿಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಎದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. If your element can be greater than middle element, then you have to write a formula beginning equal to mid plus 1. Otherwise nimdu element is less than a of mid ittandre, your element can be less than a of mid, then you have to write the formula end equal to mid minus 1. Okay, then you have to, here the last step is the location ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ದು 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 3 is greater than equal to 0. 3 is greater than equal to 0. Yes means your 45 is find in the location 45 will be find in the location 3. Okay, like this you have to trace the algorithm, binary search algorithm. 5 marks question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, write the algorithm for a binary search. 3 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ y ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಿಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ middle element, then you have to use this formula. Okay, these 3 formulas, 3 conditions you have to remember. 3 conditions are very important when you are doing a problem. Okay, problem ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ these 3 conditions are very important. Got it? Then see the next one is next go to the problem. Okay, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 45. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 45 ಆಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 45. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 45 ಆಫ್ ಅರೇ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ದ ಅರೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. Okay, already ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 45 is in which location? You know, in a third location, because array will start 0, 1, 2, 3. Already you know the answer also, but computer don't know the answer. Then you have to process it by using this algorithm. Okay, then how to process this? How to solve this problem? How to solve this problem by using these formulas? By using these formulas, how to solve this problem? Okay, one by one you have to study. See, first see, this is a problem. 15, 20, 32, 45, 52. Okay, see here you have to find out the which element, finding the location of 45. Okay, in this first you know the beginning is this is a beginning element, this is a ending element. Okay, first variable you have to write 2 columns, one variable, second one is a comparison. First beginning element location is how much? 0. Then end 52 ಇದೆ. 52 ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 4. Okay, you can write that 4. Then ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ? see in algorithm you know if beginning is less than equal to end, then write a formula middle element ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ beginning plus end by 2. beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 plus 4 by 2. how much? answer is 2. then comparison means ನಮ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ 45. 45 is equal to 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 means ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ a of 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ? a of 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ which element you have? which element? 32. okay 32 na ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ first ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. next finding the element 32. okay next element is 32. is it equal? not equal. then now not equal means 45 is greater or less than 32? 45 is greater than 32. 45 is greater than 32. in algorithm you know greater ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು? if 45 greater means which formula you have to remember? beginning equal to mid plus 1. beginning equal to mid plus 1. then mid ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? how much? this is 2 plus 1 how much? 3. this is first. next time beginning equal to 0 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತದು 0. next time beginning ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? next time beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. end ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? end is ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4. next mid how to find the mid means this is the formula beginning plus end by 2. beginning ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 plus 4 by 2 how much? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3.5. 3.5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3.5 ತಗೋಬಾರದು, just you have to take a 3. why means subscript in array subscript does not have any fractional numbers. subscript ಅಲ್ಲಿ fractional numbers ಬರಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. okay location always fraction number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. so you have to take a 7 by 2 ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3.5 ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು take as a 3. now you are getting middle element. second time you are getting a middle element. now here comparison ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 45 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 45 you have to compare with third location ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? 45 ಇದೆ. 45 equal to 45. yes okay then you are getting a location. lock equal to mid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? lock equal to mid means you are getting 3. this is the answer. okay lastly conclusion you have to write it. 45 and the element 45 will be find in the location 3. okay like this you have to remember. okay see this is a problem, 5 marks problem. already this is also asked for 2 times in preparatory exams also. okay this type of very easy problem. in 2 steps you can solving the problem. if you go through linear search it takes 3 to 4 steps. okay if you go through linear search it takes 3 to 4 steps. but in binary search must easily within 2 steps you have to find out. okay this is you have to remember. okay this is what this is a binary search. okay first element ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ beginning element 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. end element ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. then you have to 0 plus ಏನದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? beginning plus end by 2 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ 2 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ 45 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ 2 means 32. okay 32 ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಂದ if it is greater means you have to put this formula. ಅದೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು, ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ means you have to put the end equal to mid minus 1. end equal to mid minus 1. ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you have to put mid equal to end minus 1. okay ಕೆಲವು ಹುಡುಗರು ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ equal to 0 ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ನೋ, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. Okay, 3 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2, 7 by 2 equal to 3.5 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 4.5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು 4 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, this is your 3 location middle element 3. You know binary search means your element, my element can be compared with the middle element. Okay, my element is 45 I can compare 45 equal to you third element ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ 45 ಇದೆ. 45 equal to 45, then you are getting a location equal to mid. Okay, like this you have to solving the problem. Okay, this is a algorithm. Okay, then it is one problem. Okay, next class we study the another 2 problems. Okay, this is a binary search. I will sending the notes, write the notes. Okay, thank you for watching this